Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we will need to solve this particular question. We are trying to find this fraction. And you know fraction have numerator and denominator, right? So in this particular question, if I do something to the numerator and denominator, it will affect the fraction. So the very first thing for everyone to take note is that we are going to let the numerator be x and the denominator be y, and this one do let it be written it down. Let the numerator be x and let the denominator be y. So now what happens? So the fraction is x over y lah. And let's start to see. So I my x if I decrease by 2 means I minus 2, and my y increase by 5 means my y increase by 5, and this one will give me 1/3. I'm going to simplify this by using cross multiplication so that you can see that the next line will be this. Continue to simplify. And eventually I will get 3x minus y equals to 5. That will become, I add 6 on both sides, and I will get this. This will be my first equation. And let's move on to my second equation. Whereby I now have a numerator is doubled and the denominator minus 3, so you will see me having the x doubled, 2 times x, and my y subtraction, so minus 3, and this one will give me 8 over 5. And I'm going to use my cross multiplication method again. 2x times 5 is 10x, and 8 times my y minus 3. I continue to simplify. And eventually I will get this. This will be my second equation. And from 1, which is from this, okay, I'm going to have my 3x. Actually, I'm going to minus 11 on both sides. I'm going to plus y on both sides so that I can get my y. Y is equals to 3x minus 11, and then I'm going to substitute into 2. So that you can see that eventually I'll have 10x minus 8. I don't write y anymore. I write as 3x minus 11. And this will be equals to negative 24. And I'm going to continue to simplify. 10x negative 24x positive 88. So I will have negative 14x equals to negative 24. This one will be minus 88 as we continue to simplify. Negative 14, x is equals to negative 112, and therefore my x will be equals to negative 112 divided by negative 14. That will give me A. And once I know my A, I will then be able to substitute this value into my equation 3. Because then my y is actually equals to 3x minus 11, right? So 3x minus 11, my y will be equals to 13, and therefore the fraction that they wanted will be 8 over 13. We have come to the end of this video, so if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.